Everyone, it's me Krista again. Welcome back to my channel. So today me and Vin gonna go for our long weekend camping trip. So we're gonna go to Tobermory in Ontario for camping, and we're gonna show you guys how our 3 day spending there will be look like. And this is Vin. Hi.
Hey.
Hey. And yeah, we bring a lot of things we need to prepare everything by ourselves. But yeah, let's see you soon when we're on the road, okay? Bye.
So Chris,
Why you let me carry everything?
no, you're not.
Let me carry everything. You're so fucking heavy.
No, you're not. You,
Yes, you have one bucket and then the barbecue grill.
no, you having fun. You can do it.
I feel like a maid, like oh.
Hey, I do have something too. But
Yeah, but this is not fair. And I wake up early too because you asked me to wake up early because of the traffic.
you mean early? You mean 11 a.m.?
No, that's still early. Vietnamese vegetarian restaurant, so follow me. Hi, so today I ordered some vegetarian bún riêu cuốn. So it's got tofu, some of the tomato, and some of the Vietnamese sauces. So this one, it smells so good. And we also order, what is this one that you order? The fried dumpling.
Yeah.
The fried dumpling vegetarian is come with the sweet and sour sauce. So what did you order today?
It's kind of like half vegetarian noodles.
Okay. So it was like vegetarian, like they make the tofu to make it look like chicken. And yeah, it looks so good. You like it?
Yeah.
Breakfast. Right now we're heading on highway to go to Tobermory. The place we're gonna go for camping today is called Roto Getaway. So it's gonna be a 3-hour drive, and as you can see, overlook it is at the back. And Vin gonna be our driver today as usual. So thank you, Vin, for driving me.
As always.
Because he don't trust my driving skills, so don't blame it on me. But yeah, we're gonna see you guys there, and I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful is it. I heard a lot of review on this place, so super excited. Let's go.
Look who's driving right now.
I'm driving because someone is tired and sleepy, so he cannot driving properly.
After the long 4 hours drive.
So we're finally here. So this is the office. Been already going to check in, and we're just gonna wait for our kind of like the receptionist to bring us to our tent, because we kind of like renting the tent for the camping. I'm gonna show you guys shortly, okay? And yeah, the view is really nice, really chill. Yes, so see you there.
These lights are all solar. They're going to light up at night, provide you a beautiful ambiance. This whole street lights up like Christmas at night. It's really, really nice.
Hey guys, so we have Don here. He is our tour guide today. He's so
Hi.
friendly. Hey.
Thanks for coming. So this is leading toward our trailer section. So here we own all these trailers. So if you want an RV experience without having to drive it up here and haul it up here.
Our cute tent today is called the Nautical, and this is our Vinny. He gonna take all the stuff out of the car because the driver today was me instead of him. So now I just gonna take my rest, and then he gonna do all the stuff. But we're gonna show you guys later when we set up everything, and then we have our fire on. Okay, so we're already here. But since it's so hot, I just hired the personal AC to give me some air. But I heard that tonight gonna be better since the temperature gonna go down. So yeah, we're just gonna rest a bit and then I'm gonna show you guys what we cook for dinner, okay? Ben, say hi.
Bye.
So there's Vin trying to set the fire pit with the wood that compensation for our tent. But we also bought extra wood too. So yeah, and then this side is we have the barbecue grill for our food tonight. So.
This is so convenient.
Yeah. Better than the fan, right?
Yeah, definitely better than the
Finally, the noodle is done, right?
phone.
You like it?
Yep.
So we have some noodle with egg for our dinner, and then we also have the chicken skewer is in there. Then what are you cooking right now?
Chicken skewer.
Ooh, it looks good. Yum yum. When you have a boyfriend doing everything, right, Ben? Look at his face. Yum cha. Should we live like this when we retire?
Yeah, why not?
It's like Sina kind of like planting and farming anyways. So I'm gonna farming, and then Sina like fishing. You can fish,
Sure.
and then we're gonna be like the Vietnamese rapper, Black Bowl.
Black ball.
Yes. Right?
Yeah. Fishing and farming.
Yeah.